today I'm gonna show you what's inside my fridge. Okay? They said whatever is inside your fridge shows the way you eat, of course. Kasi lahat ng food dun nakatago, di ba? As everyone knows, like my subscribers who really follow me, and my friends and family, they know that I'm transitioning to a healthy lifestyle, healthy eating habits, and actually I'm transitioning to being a vegan. So hopefully mapanindigan ko yan. So I know it's gonna be good for my health. Okay, so now this is my fridge. Yeah, that's the outside of my fridge. That's the outside of my fridge, oh. Diba? It's nice to have like old photos posted on your fridge, no? Just to remember good times, especially when kids were young, and like that. And times when you're still slim. slim and young, right? See ang payat ko dyan. That's my Dora. That's my Dora. That's her feeding her brother. Nice, diba? And that's my husband when he's young. That's me. And see, ang payat ko. Kita pa talaga collarbone and shoulder bones. Diba? Sarap, no? Sarap tignan pag ganyang kaganda. Okay, so that's inside of my fridge. I'll show you what's inside my fridge. Not inside my freezer, because my freezer is so chaotic. I haven't got a chance to rearrange it and declutter it. So ito na lang, although magulo rin siya. But I just want to show you some items or food, vegetables, fruits to consider when you want to have a healthy diet. Okay, so alright, let's start with what's on the door. Okay, so here I have my butter, which is this Nuttelex butter, which is plant-based. It's dairy-free, lactose-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free. Diba? If you love butter, dapat cholesterol-free, so you can, you know, can enjoy it more. I have another butter here. I have some basil pesto dip for snack. I have some, this is because I'm craving for cheese, okay, but this is not cheese, but they try to copy the feta Greek cheese, but this is plant-based. So I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna try it later. Alrighty, and I have few eggs here. I don't eat eggs anymore. I don't give eggs to my daughter because she gets headache every time she eats it. I don't give eggs to my husband anymore because I want him to maintain healthy diet and reduce weight. Okay, so the only person that eats egg in my family is my son. Kasi very fussy siya. So usually egg lang yung kinakain niya with rice. Very fussy siya sa food, so limited yung choices ng food niya. So yeah, so I keep few eggs. And that's my condiments here. You know, when I'm craving for coffee or hot chocolate, I don't drink those anymore. So I put this in a cup of hot water, miso soup. It's healthier. It's got seaweeds in it, or some they have some tofu. And I have some wasabi here, just in case my visitors want wasabi if I serve them Japanese food. That's an empty container here. And here I have some stocks, especially vegetable stock, because you know, it's not beef, it's not chicken, so I need this for my soups. And here's some medications, important medications, basic like Panadol for kids, anti-allergy. Here are my some important ingredients when I cook. May naligaw dito na water, sparkling water. So those are some of my ingredients: minced garlic, garlic paste, Dijon mustard, chili oil. We love chili oil. That's it. And here are my drinks, some juice there. Okay. And here on the other side, let's get closer. Let's get closer. Yes. Here's my leftover for dinner. Leftover last night, but I think we're gonna have this for dinner tonight too. Maybe make some additional, but so here I have some vegetable risotto, some chickpeas pasta. So this is pasta not made up of flour or wheat. It's made up of chickpeas. So I put some tomato sauce and white beans. And on top is my lentil vegetable soup. In lentil vegetable soup, it's like we eat it a lot in this family. And at the back we have heated prunes. This is like an alternative healthy snack. So whenever I crave for something sweet, I crave for chocolates, which I used to eat a lot, I just have a few pieces of heated prunes. It's good because it's high in fiber. It's good for digestion. Okay. And aside from that prunes, I also have sultanas. So this is also a good snack. My daughter loves this for snack. I give this to my son also, and he eats them whenever I give it to him. He's very fussy, but I'm happy that he's enjoying it. And at the back, I have some almond milk because I don't drink cow's milk anymore. At the back I have a few beers for my husband, and he drinks this like when he craves, and it's an Italian brand, or whenever maybe may visitors siya, so sinaserve niya yung beer if they want beer. And here I have some mushrooms here. I have the shimeji mushrooms, cute nito, and I have some shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna cook this for dinner, maybe not tonight, maybe tomorrow, or maybe tonight, I'm not sure. And I'm gonna cook this with tofu, and you know, like with black beans and carrots like that. It's so yummy. This is like a good replacement for meat if you want to reduce eating meat. And here I have my favorite blueberries for snack as well, or for my green juice, or for the kids' school. And here, this is also good alternative for healthy snack. For a healthy snack, alternative for junk food, I mean. So instead of eating junk food, you eat this, right? Baby cucumbers. In Australia, we call this cukes, baby cucumbers. This is really nice. Very crispy. And I have my green juice. I already had like a couple of glasses this morning for my breakfast. So this, I will consume this like for until early afternoon. And then I have like a pitcher here. And like this tumbler of green juice is for my daughter. So she loves it too. And that's for my husband, for my son. I have cucumbers here. or salad. And this is good too. This is good for your snack, healthy snack. Some cherry tomatoes, very sweet and juicy, so yummy. And I have at the back, I have some strawberries and more blueberries. Right, that's my alarm going off when I open the door for a long time, so I just have to press that. And I have some more spinach for my green juice for later. And here, this is my cheese compartment. My daughter loves mozzarella cheese on her pizza, but she doesn't eat much cheese anymore because she's trying to eat healthier. I don't know, but I just keep it here just in case I have visitors and I have to cook something for them, so I have the ingredients that I need. But here I have this. I found this bio cheese. This is not cheese. It's just trying to mimic yung cheese, but this is good for vegetarian, for vegans. So you know what? Ano siya? It tastes like coconut. But it's okay. It's made up of, actually it's made up of soya. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and healthier. And here I have some sliced cheese there, just in case someone needs it. And I have these sun-dried tomatoes, which I use in my Italian cooking. I have some pine nuts here. This is for making Italian pesto. Yeah. And here I have a few items like the yogurt in the top, which my son used to eat a lot, but lately I don't give it to him much anymore, because I want him to give up like too much dairy, because it's not good for his gut. And here, this is interesting really. This is beef-free mince. So it's trying to mimic beef, but it's not meat, it's not beef, it's vegetables. It's made up of soya and other vegetables. And I have another block of tofu here. It's softer than the other one. Tofu. I'm gonna cook this with the mushrooms. And so here I have the sultanas, the pineapples. I cut the pineapples already. I bought like 2 pineapples yesterday and I cut them ready for use. I have some Brussels sprouts, like baby cabbage. It's so yummy. If you fry it in a bit of olive oil or avocado oil, put a bit of garlic and chili, it's so yummy, and salt. And I have my favorite okra. And at the back I have some dips like spinach, feta cheese dip. That's for my daughter. And I have some leftover toge here. I eat it fresh, this one. I pop it on salads. Oops! And here I have some another mushrooms. Big mushrooms. This is another variety of mushroom that I love. This is my alternative for meat. So instead of having steak, I grill this, or I bake it. Yummy. One time I'm gonna show you a special recipe for mushrooms like this. Okay. Here I have some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. This is for my husband. He can't give up Italian food, so he's still eating Parmesan cheese. Have some mozzarella cheese here too. The whole one. I serve this for my visitors, like I slice them thin, and then I slice tomatoes thin, and then I put it on top of the mozzarella and put a little bit of basil leaves, and then drizzle it with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and that's it. Perfect appetizer. Yeah. And here I have some cream cheese, which is not really cream cheese. It's like, it's 100% dairy-free cream cheese. Good for vegetarians and vegans. Nice. It tastes like cream cheese. And here, oh, look at my vegetable compartment. Nasira kasi yung vegetable basket ko dito. So I just took it off and just leave it open like this, like a shelf. So I have lettuce, I have onion grains here, I have some parsley, lots of parsley, sweet potato. I put sweet potato in the fridge, and some red capsicums, some tomatoes, very ripe tomatoes. I put in the fridge. If they're not ripe yet, I put it outside the fridge so they're gonna get more ripe, ready for my tomato sauce. So yeah, and I have some asparagus, green beans, some red chili, long red chili, some celery, and some coriander. In this small compartment, I have more blueberries, more tomatoes. Look at those tomatoes, very ripe and juicy. So yummy. You know, my daughter, she eats this for snack as well. When she's craving for it, she eats it like apple. And I have some ripe avocados here. I have to put in the fridge, otherwise it's not gonna last. And I have more grapes. I have more lemons. The lemons, they're very ripe now, so I put them in the fridge. And more blueberries. So that's it. That's my fridge. And yeah, and I cannot show you my freezer. I'm not going to show you my freezer. Makalat kasi. Yeah, but in my freezer I have frozen peas, frozen corn, I have some frozen pineapple, even frozen pineapple. So I just put a stock there just in case I cannot go to the supermarket or to the vegetable shop to buy fresh. So I use that. I have frozen berries, and you know, I have like frozen pies for my son because he's very fussy. That's all he eats. And I used to have lots of ice creams and cakes in my freezer. Not anymore. So I really have to come up with healthy cake recipes. And that's it. That's all for today. Yeah. Oh my, look at that. Looks beautiful when you see it with lots of grains, lots of fruits and vegetables in your fridge. It feels good. It feels you know, like you're living healthy and you get more focus on your goal. Like if your goal is to lose weight, then you get more focused on losing weight. And you don't see junk food, so you avoid junk food, right? So if you see healthy food, then that's all you have. Then you have to get used to it. So if I'm craving for a snack, I'm hungry, I cannot think of potato chips. I rather have this. Yummy, right? Okay, so see you next time. Live healthy, be healthy, be happy always. All right, and if you want to keep in touch with me, send me a message at Lovely Mom and Beyond Facebook page, and I'll get back to your channels as well. See ya.